Hi, people. We are the team number 5. I'm Claudia and I come from Naples. I study psychology and computer Apple development at Apple Developer Academy at Naples. We try to develop an application called Always that could implement AI in a more accessible user experience for everyone, not only for disabled people, but for everyone and a special attention for them. We started with 3 problems because the first thing we thought about was okay, we can create something with AI, but the problem is that AI can actually catch information from the web, from websites or everywhere else, but sometimes the information are not correct or wrong. And of course, the other problem is that there is no combines both features for disabled people and non-disabled people. So we try to combine them and create a unique app, just one app for everything. Of course, we also try to be more scientific. We try to have a scientific thought because we found out that 50% of disabled people in Europe are afraid of travel or coming abroad because of their disabilities, because they don't have supplies and supports, because the government or the travel agencies doesn't give them. So okay, this is our app. This is our main screen, which is a map. It seems like a normal map, but inside the backend is very particular, because yeah, we indeed use AI for this application, but the AI firstly try to find all the hashtags related to a certain topic. For example, we choose celiac, like the celiac people, but this app can be used for everything else. For example, also people who cannot eat or walk, they choose the hashtag on the social media that people tend to like and view the most. Then it filters the video with more visualizations and like. So basically, with an API call, which is an instrument in coding that allows you to make two servers communicate, the AI takes your likes and visualization and creates a map that it's suited on your case. I mean, for example, there is a person who cannot eat bread or flour, it's celiac. Based on what you saw on social media or internet or emails or whatever you want, the app provides you a specific map for you and your situation. Curious feature is that the map restarts every second, because the data are cached every second and the app restarts automatically. So there's no need to take data manually. The app does everything by itself, the AI actually. The first screen you see when you open the app is a questionnaire, like a sort of brief questions in order to understand what kind of problem you have and what are your needs, so that we can have a more specific profile based on the person, not only of what he or she likes on social media and network, also based on the answer he or she gives to our questionnaire. So the map will be even more personalized. We made the example of restaurant for celiac people. Basically, a celiac people can choose the restaurant of the map. The red one means the restaurant has been verified by AI, so it's been filtered, both from AI and users of the app. And the red one means no, don't go there because it can be unsafe for you. AI hasn't told that the restaurant is good for you. He can also see the reviews of other users and the evaluation of the app, like a sort of app store, but for restaurants or I don't know, pets. Just remember that this app is general. We're just giving an example, but can be used for pets, local shop, or I don't know, travels, hotels. In this case, we have restaurants here. Of course, this has a huge impact on tourism because it makes tourism more accessible. Also, thanks to the universal design we choose for the application. The design is very, very simple. Also, the accessibility feature. People can travel more safely and without being afraid of not having support or help in case of need. We also thought about a precise business model in case one day we can develop a better version of this app. We could earn money by the sponsorship. Maybe we can have a partnership with some agency or tourism services. And of course, when people book an hotel or a restaurant, a place in a restaurant, they basically pay directly from our app, And we also earn like a little commission, a little fee from what the user pays. We also thought about a physical space for our identity, our app. This is a sort of like map, a virtual map, like the ones you see in the big shops, for example, the commercial centers here in Italy, but in all Europe. Basically, you can use our map in the streets or in whatever place you are in order to make the user experience even more accessible to everyone and in every place. Okay, this was our app, so thank you all for your attention.